Everybody, Sean Hayes with 77 Mowers. Just a quick little video. I've got a write-up on this on my Facebook page if you go and check that out under 77 Lawnmowers. Whether you buy an expensive lawnmower or a cheap lawnmower, whether your purpose is to use it extensively or you have just a little tiny patch of grass, you need to maintain your lawnmower, because if you don't, this is what happens. Check this out. This is disgusting. Look at this. Guy sold it to me saying it didn't run and that it was a piece of crap. So I don't know what you think about that, but this is actually really common. Some people are going to probably comment on this video and say, oh, that doesn't ever happen. Actually, it happens a lot more than you think. I get a lot of really nasty mowers in. Maybe it's just the people in my area. I don't know. But people just don't look after their mowers, and they spend, on a cheap side, $250 on a new mower. 3 years later, they're selling it to me for $50 because it doesn't run. Well, no kidding. If it looks like that, do you blame it? So I'm going to get this cleaned up. I'm going to get it all repaired. There's a couple things that I want to double take a look at. For some reason, the handlebar goes really down and cuts into the shaft on the wheel. So I don't know what's up with that, but I'm going to fix that and clean the carb, get it all running well, and then I'll post it again. So I was going to do an update video, show the yard machine's lawn mower after it's been cleaned up, serviced, etc., etc. But as you can see, I'm literally sitting in my truck right now. I just got back home. I just actually delivered it to the new owner. I posted it for sale last night. I didn't think it would sell that quick. It's gone. So I can't actually do a video, but I do have some pictures of it. After I cleaned it up, it actually looked absolutely amazing. Basically looked almost brand new, ran like it was almost brand new, and the new owner is super happy with it. And I actually got a maintenance customer out of it too, so he's going to bring that to me every year for regular seasonal maintenance, and he's got a snow blower as well that he'll need maintenance on, so that's pretty awesome. Super thankful to them for that. Take a look at the pictures. Tell me what you think in the comments. A little bit of maintenance goes actually a really long way. You can keep your mower in good condition, and it will last you a really long time. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and be notified for future videos. Till the next video, have a great one.